Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared. My lovely wife, CARHARTT, is at work, and I apologize, guys. I actually already opened the knife that we're doing the unboxing. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So let's just get into it. So this is a handmade knife by Alien Knives. And if you don't know who Alien Knives is, this is his prototype from the DX2 that was built by Concept. So these actually recently just dropped. Then he also sent me another handmade knife. This one is a friction folder. This was from a while back. This was actually the first knife he sent me. Actually, I think it was the first handmade knife he ever did. But this is another handmade knife, but this one's very, very unique. First, let's check out this note because this is going to explain a lot about what's in here. We'll skip the first part, but there's his website and everything. Let's get to the second part. Why are Alien Knives so dope? To start off with, we literally are using hemp from cannabis for our scales to provide something unique and special. One of the most loved features of the MX4 is the option of providing you with environmentally friendly handle materials that provide positivity to your world. We also offer a variety of handle scale materials such as composite made of coffee grounds. The lockback system on the MX4 features protruding jimping to assure the lock's hook stays engaged into the place during use. We have developed a one-piece combination tension bar system. It is easy to disassemble and get replacement scales for your liking that are affordable. Each blade is hand hollow ground out of 80 CR V2 chrome vanadium steel. The honeycomb texture pattern provides improved grip in the palm. Extreme lightweight at less than 2.9 ounces offers performance without that unnecessary weight or bulk within your EDC everyday carry. We are truly proud of the unique USA made or USA handmade product that you will be proud to own. And then there's his website right there. He's also on Instagram. I'll try to link a bunch of the places to see him and see some of his stuff, like on Instagram and his website and stuff down below. I'll try to get whatever I can. But this one happens to be the coffee ground one. Here is the card. And you can see the MX4, 80 CRV2, coffee, and then the date of birth. Date of getting made. Alright guys, so let's check this out. Like I said, this is the coffee ground material. Now, this is not a review. This is just a first impressions. It is a backlock. I don't know what this finish is called right here. It's very, very unique and aggressive. The handle material kind of feels like, micarta, maybe a little bit different. It's aggressive in the jimping areas, but then smooth in the honeycomb areas. It is comfortable right here. Right here, I mean, because my thumb just kind of locks right in right there. That's very comfortable. Let's check for play. Side to side. No play side to side. But there is some towards the lock. But it's a back lock. That's pretty common. Let's try to do a one-hand close. One hand open. It will one-hand thumb open. Let's see if it'll reverse flick. Oh, damn lanyard. I would take the lanyard off. I can get it, actually. Wow. I didn't think I was going to be able to be honest. You got to get it just right. Yeah, man, this thing's pretty unique. I like seeing unique stuff. It does not have liners. It's just this material, and it's very, very light. 2.9 ounces, and this thing's very light. The clip, it is springy. I mean, it's made out of this coffee ground. I wonder what the hemp one looks like. If it resembles, I would guess it wouldn't look just like this, but maybe close. Very, very unique, man. This is definitely different. Look at that choil. Hey, I ain't hating on that. I am not hating on that. Very cool. All right. Let's get to the next part, the part that I did record already. All right, so the next box is from Bob DeMarco. Now, he sent me some knives to sharpen. I want to be careful in here. All right, let's see what kind of knives we got to sharpen today. All right, this is going to be cool. I think there's 2 knives in here. I'm not 100%. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, the Yojimbo with a broken tip. Yeah. Man, the carbon fiber on this is really nice. And I know Bob DeMarco is not a carbon fiber fan. I don't think he really likes carbon fiber, but man, he loves his Warncliffs. This one is very, very smooth. A great example. Man, this thing is so smooth. Great action on these things, man. You really got a lot of leverage in your flick. I got the Yojimbo. I don't have the Yojimbo. Man, this one is like half the size of my Yojimbo. Here is the Yojimbo compared to the Yojimbo. You can see it is a lot smaller than the Yojimbo. So this is definitely more EDC friendly, but in a great example, I might say, of the Yojimbo. I mean, this thing just feels super solid. Even the Yojimbo, though, the Yojimbo, this one's very solid too. Just a lot bigger. All right, let's get to the next knife. Ooh, a Sabenza with micarta. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Ooh, man, that thing is so smooth. I don't know which one's smoother, mine or his. Because mine's very smooth, too. This one's a great example of a Sabenza. I've only felt a few of them. Some of them are extremely smooth. Then I think some of them just, because you're supposed to run grease in the pivot. If you run grease in the pivot, man, they are just so luxuriously smooth. Let's look at this micarta. Come on. Very cool cross-cut micarta. I love cross-cut micarta. It's my favorite material next to titanium, cross-cut micarta, then cross-cut carbon fiber. Oh, I love it. That is super sweet. While we're sitting here, let's compare some of these knives and the size. Here's the Yojimbo. Here's the, what was it, the MX4, I think it is. Yeah, the MX4. So you can see the size difference right there. Let me go like this, because we are a little bit at an angle. So not much shorter than the Yojimbo, but it is a little bit shorter than the Yojimbo. Let's look at it next to my Sabenza, because the two are the same size. And yeah, it's a bit smaller than that, because the Yojimbo is smaller than the Sabenza. And the Yojimbo is bigger than all of them. Big knife, big knife. But what's bigger than the Yojimbo, huh? What's bigger than the Yojimbo? How about the 4 Max? Bang. All right, let's get these guys sharpened up for him. Not in this video. I don't know if I'll record it or not. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. We'll see. I love you guys. Thanks, Alien. Peace. And Bob DeMarco will get these babies tuned up for you. I love you guys. Thanks, Alien. Peace.